Hi, welcome to our third part and final part, hopefully, of our law of sines and cosines word problems video. On this question, we've got two ranger stations. And we're kind of looking down at a map, like this is almost a 2D map. Ranger Station A, Ranger Station B, or Ranger Station 1, Ranger Station 2. And they spot a fire. So these are 10 kilometers apart. Or not a fire, but a distress call, rather, from a camper. Electronic equipment allows them to determine that the camper has an angle of 71 degrees from the first station and I should really there we go. 71 degrees from station 1 and 100 degrees from station 2. So here's my camper. Not having a good time. It's got a tent. Alright, so there's my camper. They have a tent and I've got my degree measures drawn in. I want to know which station is closer to the distress call. These are 10 kilometers apart. So what you have here is an angle side angle. And what I can do here is, if it's 171, this can only be 9 degrees to make 180. I can use my law of sines. Sine of 9 over 10 kilometers. Now I want to find out what x and y are. So I could do sine of 71 over x. And I could set up the same problem just with the sine of 100 and y. And I could figure out what those two sides are. And I want to know which one is shorter, right? Who's closer? Same idea for the ranger stations here. Two ranger stations 100 miles apart. Let's call it station 1, station 2. The angle from station 1 in the fire. The angle from station 1 between angle 2 in the fire. So the angle that's created here this angle between the fire and station 2, 61 degrees. The angle between station 1 of the fire as seen from station 2 is 48 degrees. Now I have an angle side angle, so I could find out that this is, what is that, 109, so that would be 71 degrees. And then you can set up your law of sines to find x and y. I want to know which one is closer So we know station 1 and station 2 are 100 miles apart. That's already kind of answered for us. I want to know which station is closer and what's that closer distance. So what's the shorter of the two distances? That should be all for part 3. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, please send me an email or stop by before school, and I will